So here you can see reflector headlight, and to remove old bulb there is a dust cap that has to come out. Pull off the wiring harness. There is a little clip that we need to lift up and it's get the old bulb out. The installation is a simple plug-and-play job. If you can change the normal H4 light bulb, you can install this. The very important part is to know how much space you need around cover, because some headlights haven't got enough space for built-in installation. So it is better to leave heatsink cooler outside headlight housing. The beam patterns of Ultinon LED bulb is comparable to the halogen bulbs, it illuminating everything that it should while keeping the added glare to a minimum. This is because Philips uses patented shroud technology, while other LED manufacturers uses simplified flat shroud over filaments. Though the high beam is nothing special, but it's still one of the brightest LED high beams available on the market today for dual beam LEDs. The brightness of Ultinon LEDs has a really powerful effect in the reflector base housings. Brighter generally equals more glare, and they appear to be brighter than halogen bulbs, but not by a huge margin. The reason is because they have the more contrasting color in combination of slightly brighter light, and that results a very nice appearance on the road. This bulb maintains the integrity of beam patterns with less glare than other offerings that have a LED light bulb that too bright or not too controlled. So it's impossible to blind everyone on the road.